Dan. Don't throw it. Today is March 16th, 2003. No, what's today's date? Not the 16th. What's today's date? 18th, right? 18th. I looked. We have a celery. Do you want a celery stick? Or we have, what do you call those things? Asparagus? Celery then? Okay, hold on. Here, Dan. We did have carrots. Al, come get it. Okay. Here. Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold you up there and you can put it in.
You staying warm? You guys need to come in soon. It's cold out here. Oh, tough guy.
I'm not cold.
Do you want a hat? Dan, you want the Texas cap?
What?
Do you want the Texas baseball cap?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. But I want to get Alex putting this in. Aww. I can't see him. Cool. Why are you putting it on?
I'll put it on the
yeah, the snowman.
No, it's for me.
No. There's your Mark, your dad's Mark snow hat. Do you want that?
No.
You sure? Your ears are going to get cold. There's our snowman. It's not staying on?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll just gotta get it worked out.
Okay. Cool. You guys gonna give him some arms? Or no?
What?
You gonna give him some arms or no?
These are
Snowman.
Huh?
You gonna give a snowman arms?
These are arms?
Oh my gosh, I can't even see them with the camera. Whoa. Didn't even notice them. I didn't even notice them. You just blended in right with the fence. Cool.
Here, mouth. Here, I'll get
Okay.
the mouth.
Hayden's getting upset. Let me go check him. There's the Hayden. Say you're too little to play out in the snow. You'll be out there soon enough, though. Yes. Hi. Hi. Can you talk to Mommy? Can you smile? Hayden trying to crawl. He's trying. You're trying, aren't you? Yes. Yes. Come on. You're going backwards, silly. You're going backwards.
I'm optimistic because I have two girls, 114 and 117. And if I'm a pessimist, then what kind of world are they?
Oh, what do you have on your mouth? Gross.
You must do the right thing, but what if we
Ah.
don't? And then
Okay.
He's not followed through. We don't have a good track
Hi,
record.
Bubby. Hi. Okay, I'm coming.
If we don't, we're going to find ourselves in a hornet's nest. We're going to find...
What happened? There's our snowman. Good job. They say, good job, Daddy and Alex. Yes. Hayden looking at the snow. They're attempting to make a fort. Okay, time to turn off. It's cold. Wait, Dan. I have to put him down. I can't hold him while I'm doing this. Okay. He's doing fine. He's talking now. Go ahead. He's talking now. Hurry.
Oh my goodness. I'll start off the street. Come on out. Get back there. I'm going to come steal your snow in a minute.
Oh no. Whoa! You got him, Alec. Okay. It's on negative. It is on negative. There you go. No. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just going to do it real quick because it's letting me caught a cold air. Look at our poor snowman. Getting trampled by the snow. Cleaned him up from that? Gosh. Okay. Alec, you know.